All right. Hi, everyone. I'm Emmanuel. I'm managing partner of VP Media Solutions. And today I'd like to share with you, what our company can do for you and how we supported some of your peers during these exceptional and challenging times. So here we go. VP Media Solutions is a designer of media platforms for innovative workflows and a market leader in the integration of digital video production and distribution systems. The company was also among the first to exploit the potential of converged IT and broadcast world, and now offers a range of cutting-edge solutions and services that enable content monetization through the full range of media distribution channels. Our primary focus, however, is not on the technology itself. It's on our customers' bottom line and business expansion. So what do we do? Our business is based on 4 pillars. Historically, our company has been selling products to the broadcast and media customers. This can be high-end specific hardware designed for the needs of the media industry or software. Over the years, our portfolio grew rapidly since new emerging companies sometimes take a fresh look at our businesses and challenge our rusty workflows with disruptive propositions. Today, we represent a large array of brands, which are each individually the best of breed in their domain. Some of those names are well-established brands, while others are startups with technology that fills the gaps or proposes a brand new take on our production and distribution workflows. Blackbox already shared with you their latest and greatest, but you will learn later today from Grassvalley, Harmonic, and Arista about how they see the future of content production and consumption and how this steers their current product implementations and roadmaps. The more our industry embraces standard IT, IP, and cloud technology, the more our customers require end-to-end technical solutions for their business problems. And of course, the building blocks of those solutions are the products, but it takes more than a list of features to solve this new puzzle. It requires a good understanding of the customer's businesses, their workflows, and their targets. Our expertise covers the complete food chain, stretching from content creation to distribution and monetization. In the last couple of years, we have successfully helped, for example, our post customers migrate to Adobe Premiere, providing the necessary toolset for a streamlined workflow. Building end-to-end platforms also means taking responsibility for the business targets it needs to reach over its lifetime. And this is exactly where our support department comes into play, with a service team that covers extended hours 7 days a week. We understand what business critical means. We currently support a large number of news production systems, broadcast playout systems, and TV and OTT platforms at telecom operators. Capitalizing on our extensive history and expertise in the broadcast media industry, VP Media Services provides a unique new option for content distributors to achieve new levels of efficiency and cost effectiveness in the form of fully managed infrastructure in an OpEx model. VP Media Services can provide your organization with all the media content functionality it needs, but its real strength is in its ability to provide the functionality very flexibly in support of the launch of a temporary channel, for example, or to absorb short-term workload. It can also relieve you of the burden of managing your own systems, freeing time and resources while still allowing users to remain in complete control. Today, RTBF relies on VP Media Services for their SVOD OTT platform, while Dimension is using our storage offering for safeguarding its Avid post-production workspaces. Corporate customers trust our platform to supply high quality and secure streaming for sensitive content. Let's jump now to some interesting use cases. A first use case I would like to discuss is the optimization of scripted TV productions. Delivering daily episodes is a challenge and can cause a high level of stress on the teams and on the infrastructure. So what can we propose? Let's use the example of a remote studio location. In this case, our customer is choosing a multicam approach mixed with EFP footage. The workflow starts traditionally for the crew. The program output of the vision mixer and the isolated camera feeds are recorded in a MOG ingest server, which stores the files on an SNS production storage, along with the decisions of the vision mixer. A production assistant can add metadata like season and episode and also make annotations. Take numbering can be automatic. Each take gets a rating for quicker identification downstream. A manual or automatic process can send all this data to the central post-production location. And based on metadata and rules, Helmut Effects and I/O catalogs the content in the CAD/DV MAM system, which allows users to quickly find the material using traditional MAM functionality. Ingested separate audio and video files from the EFP crews are synced by Helmut during the process. But Helmut Effects also creates automatically an Adobe Premiere project with the correct bin structure and a multicam sequence. The editor can start to work in no time. Of course, any annotations that have been made while capturing are visible as markers in the Adobe Premiere timeline and in CAD/DV. This complete workflow significantly decreases the turnaround time for an episode creation, allowing even more creativity. A hot topic during the last months has been remote contribution. Because of limited mobility and social distancing rules, content producers needed solutions to allow people from anywhere to easily connect to the production gallery and the signal to be processed in high quality. TV channels, radio channels, institutional customers, and corporations, all of them have chosen the Quicklink solutions because of the ease of use, its manageability and flexibility, the video and audio quality, all of this combined with low latency over public internet. So what are the building blocks? At the reception side is the ST100, which is a transmitter and receiver for live audio and video. You can receive from any Quicklink Studio contributor, the iOS app, or Chrome browser for broadcast output via AGSDI, HDMI, and IP. The ST100 is an essential element in any point-to-point broadcast solution where ultra-low latency and high-quality links are required. The high video quality is achieved using VP9 encoding, while WebRTC guarantees secure and low latency transport. The glass-to-glass delay is 200 milliseconds. The Quicklink Manager allows simple and intuitive management of connected links and contributors from one central portal, from any global location, using a secure encrypted Chrome web browser connection. Various layers of operational security, including two-factor authentication and end-to-end contributor encryption, ensure the highest levels of data security and integrity. Feature and settings selection, together with link creation, are amongst the main abilities of the Quicklink Manager portal. At the contribution side, different scenarios allow different use cases. The ST500 Studio in a Box is ideally suited for HD studio broadcast contributions, where there are limited on-site technical resources available. This all-in-one box comes with inbuilt camera, light, and a screen which can be used for local preview, teleprompter, or studio return feed. The camera, lights, and audio can be controlled from any Chrome browser using the Quicklink Manager portal. The ST150 is a rackable version, allowing you to use your own camera, lights, and monitors. But the most popular contribution feature during these last months is the ST55. It allows to broadcast global contributions to air in less than 30 seconds. No apps or software installs are required. Contributors can be invited via SMS, WhatsApp, or email and can send content to the studio remotely and easily using any device where a simple Chrome or Safari browser can be opened. Cloud Advanced Firewall punch-through with automatic fallback to Quicklink relay services guarantees connectivity on the most challenging and secure networks. Customers are using Quicklink, of course, for news, but also for studio shows, virtual meetings, remote voiceover, and many other applications. But when we talk about remote contribution, it is impossible to avoid the subject of 5G. 5G networks are expected to bring many improvements to the current bonded cellular transmission scenario. Gigabit speeds and a reduction in transmission latencies are the initial advantages broadcasters can realize. But in the future, new developments will appear, such as network slicing, which will allow media organizations to operate their own network in critical environments or locations, such as stadiums and event spaces. Network slicing allows multiple virtual networks to be established on common shared physical hardware. Distributors can then customize the virtual networks to meet specific requirements of their applications, services, and devices, and their customers or operators. In effect, it will mean broadcasters can still deliver a competitive quality of service in situations where the public network is totally congested. The impact of 5G on remote broadcast production is expected to be significant, helping to facilitate installations and reducing costs. AV West, a market leader in bonded cellular solutions, already added 5G capabilities in its product line. Successful trials have been done, which are now leading to real use in production at, for example, Olympique Marseille or Roland Garros. Now let's have a look at the monitoring side of our IP streams. The Bridgetech VB440 IP probe provides a breakthrough for the monitoring and analysis of high bitrate broadcast media traffic, as defined in ST2110 and ST2022-6. It enables production teams to continuously survey all layers of media transportation on an IP network and facilitates quick rectification of potential problems, helping to maximize quality of service. With support for interface speeds from 10 up to 100 gigabit on dual interfaces, even the largest of media networks can be accommodated with analysis of resolutions up to 8K. ST2022-7 redundancy is also monitored and analyzed when connected to both primary and secondary networks. The VB440 can accommodate 8 simultaneous users from local or remote locations over secure HTTPS. It features a user interface provided by an HTML5 standard web browser. And it can be provided with instrument view aluminum kits in broadcast form factors that enable touchscreen operations. This gives production teams access to an analytic solutions for large numbers of streams and multiple resolutions in real time and in parallel in multiple locations. The VB330 probe is the flagship in Bridge Technologies' product offering towards broadband and media operators. With dual 10 gig Ethernet connectivity and a massive multiprocessor architecture, the VB330 can deliver monitoring and analytics of thousands of streams and in real time and in parallel. The 330 is aimed at monitoring the full cross-section of services commonly found in media-related network operations. As such, it is very much a multi-use tool to monitor network performance involving signal formats and areas as diverse as video IP multicast, video OTT and ABR streaming, voice trunks, video on-demand unicast, Ethernet packet microbursts, and general traffic protocol inspection. It will give your engineering team the ultimate fault-finding power tool. As a reminder, don't forget to join to hear from our partners. Harmonic will take you on a guided tour of the latest innovations on cloud and software-based media processing, playout, and streaming solutions. Streaming live content has never been easier thanks to the internet and IP-based workflows. Arista Network has played and continues to play a crucial role in this disruption. And Grassvalley's agile media processing platform is the first cloud-based SaaS platform for broadcast to fully leverage the power of elastic compute. Built for the cloud from the start, GVAMP is specially and specifically designed to overcome broadcasters' long-time reliance on costly and inflexible hardware-based media systems. So thank you for watching this presentation. It was very packed, I know, but yeah, there was little time. And let's use those challenging times to trigger our technological curiosity and supporting our businesses in their transformational journey. So stay safe.